Have you ever wanted to make a guy miss you? Do you want him to think of you and pine for your touch as he goes about his daily life? I'm going to teach you 26 ways that we can use psychology and cognitive biases to our advantage when it comes time to make that special someone yearn for more. How to make a guy miss you. 1. Spend more time with family and friends. The first step to making a guy miss you is by spending more time with your family and friends. When he sees that you're out having a good time without him, it will make him realize just how great life is without you. He'll start to question why he's not around more often and whether or not he's taking you for granted. This is the perfect opportunity to make him miss you. 2. Dress in a way that attracts him. Another great way to make a guy miss you is by dressing in a way that attracts him. When you dress up for your night out, he'll take notice and realize just how much he is attracted to you. Try to find out or ask him what he finds attractive. Does he love classy clothing? Is his favorite scent on a woman vanilla bean? Maybe his knees get weak when you put on your favorite bright red lipstick. You can wear or use these things to your advantage when you want him to miss you. He will picture you and fantasize about being with you when he sees how amazing you look. You can even get him excited beforehand by letting him know what you'll be wearing. You can send a flirty text that says something like, "I'll have my bold, beautiful lipstick on for you tonight. I know it drives you wild." This will get his mind racing and he will be missing you even before you meet up. 3. End text or phone conversations first so he doesn't lose interest. The next step to making a guy miss you is by ending text or phone conversations first. When he realizes that you're about to hang up, it will hit him just how badly he wants the conversation to continue. He may try and keep you on the line longer, but don't give in. The more often this happens, the more he will start to miss your conversations. Make sure to do this in a respectful and kind way. You don't want to make him feel that you're rude or inconsiderate. To make sure everyone has finished their thoughts, you can give him a 5-minute warning when you need to go. That way, he knows that it's coming and can properly savor those last few moments of the conversation with you. 4. Be independent and adventurous. One of the most attractive things to a man is when a woman is independent and adventurous. When you do your own thing and have interests outside of him, it will make him see just how great life can be without you. It will also take pressure off of him, and he won't worry that you're dependent on him for a good time or a grand adventure. He'll start to think about all the fun activities he's been missing out on and start to wonder what the two of you can do together. If he sees you having wonderful experiences, he will crave them and want to be a part of them with you. He will want to share a fantastic life alongside an independent woman. 5. Take a communication break. The next step to making a guy miss you is by taking a communication break. When he doesn't hear from you for days at a time, it will make him start thinking about what's going on in your life and how much he misses being a part of it. He might try calling or texting, but don't answer. You can respond when you feel like it, and let him know that you're busy doing your own thing. He will admire how independent and self-sufficient you are and realize just what a great catch he let get away. You don't want to take this step too soon because it could lead to resentment if done wrong. It's best used after you two have established a good foundation and have been talking consistently. Let him know that you'll be focusing on a project or just need some general space from the phone or your social life. You can be as specific or vague as you want, but make sure you let him know that you're simply wanting some me time and aren't pulling back because of a conflict with him. He will be impressed by how busy and in demand you are and start to miss the little snippets of your life that he used to get. When you're available again, he will be over the moon. 6. Bring him out around your friends. It's always great for a guy to see you around your friends. They bring out the best in you and show your fun side that he might not see when it's just the two of you. Your friends will also give him a chance to get to know you better as a person. He'll start to see all the things that make you special and why your group of friends is so important to you. He may start to feel like this is a cool group of people that he wants to be a part of. All of us are very socially motivated, and when we start a relationship, we are actually expanding our social lives. 7. Send flirty or romantic texts. Sending flirty or romantic texts is a great way to make him miss you. When he's at work and sees your text, it will brighten his day and make him think of you. Men tend to respond well to flirty messages because they like when women are upfront and direct in expressing their interest. He will love your coy messages and start to miss the feeling of being around you. You can also send him a text when he least expects it, like during one of his classes or at work. He'll be pleasantly surprised by your message and feel much better about not having access to you all day long. You can say something like, "I can't wait to see you later," or "I'm thinking about you. What are you up to?" You can also be a bit more flirty and say something like, "I wish I was there to help you with that," or "I'm so hot for you right now." The important thing is to keep your texts light and flirty. You don't want him feeling overwhelmed or stressed out. Save the more serious conversations for when you're actually together. 8. Use seductive body language. Seductive body language is a powerful tool to use if you want to make him miss you. Make sure to hold your posture up, keep your head held high, and look like you're relaxed and open. Don't cross your arms or turn your body away from him when you're together. Smile often and avoid looking down or away from him when he's talking to you. Don't play with your hair too much because this can be distracting for men who are trying to start an intelligent conversation with you. This will be how he pictures you when you're not there. Since men are visual creatures, he will see you as a vision of beauty in his mind when he reflects on your time together. 9. Show him you're a positive person. If you want a guy to know how much fun you are and make him miss you when you aren't around, you will need to focus on being positive with him. This will show him that you have a fulfilling life and only spend time doing things that make you happy. When he sees that you're a positive person, it will make him want to be around you more. He'll also start to miss the good times that the two of you had together. It's important to be genuine and not just put on a fake persona for him. Work on your positivity for yourself primarily, and it will radiate out to him as a side benefit. 10. Make him feel special and wanted. This is exactly what most people crave. When you think of how to make a guy miss you, it may seem like the best idea is to keep your distance and not act too desperate. While this can be true, it's actually very important not to overlook the power of making him feel special and wanted. If you can make him feel like he's the only one that matters to you, then you will have his undivided attention. He'll start to miss the way you make him feel special and important. It's a great feeling to know that someone wants us, and when we are in a relationship, we should make sure to give that feeling back to our partner. You can make him feel special by doing something simple, like sending him a sweet text message or making an effort to look nice when you see him. You can also cook him his favorite dinner or buy him a small gift for no reason at all. The important thing is to make sure that he knows how much you appreciate and care for him. 11. Ask for his help and offer him help. One way to make a man miss you is by making him feel like he is important and helpful to you. Many men are validated by this and love to feel needed. When you ask him for help or offer it to him, he will feel like a valuable part of your life. He will start to miss being able to contribute and help you in any way that he can. A new guy in your life will need to feel that he is meaningful and contributes to your life positively. On the other side of the coin, you can make a guy miss you more by regularly offering him help in life. You can offer to run an errand for him, do some research for him, or help him cook dinner. If he knows that he can count on you to be there for him when he needs it, then he will miss you more when you're not around. 12. Send him cute pictures to make your man miss you. Nothing makes the heart grow fonder than an image. When you send a guy pictures of yourself, he will think about you and miss having the real thing in front of him. Don't spam him with pictures, but send them sparingly throughout the day or week. He will appreciate getting a little glimpse of you and it will make him miss you more. Pictures don't have to be overly sexual or suggestive. A simple picture of you doing something that you love can be just as special. As long as he knows that the pictures are from you and that you're thinking of him, he'll appreciate them. 13. Have confidence in everything you do. If you want to make a guy start missing you, show him that you are confident. This means more than being outgoing and the loudest voice in the room. It's actually about speaking your truth unapologetically and having faith in yourself. When you radiate confidence, it will make him miss the way that you make him feel good about himself. A confident woman is sexy and irresistible, which is a great thing.
Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.